Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the trends of population growth. So here, before we start, I want to discuss the things which we have discussed in the previous session. That is population growth, and the growth has different components. That is CBR, CDR, immigration, migration. As such, we have discussed about the actual growth of population as well as the natural growth of population. So we have discussed about the factors also in the previous session. Here I want to discuss about the trend of population growth. Actually, the population growth shows a very different um, pattern in growing population of the world. So here I want to uh, show you a diagram so that it can be clear to all of you that the population is changing with a very different rate at different period of time. So the first slide is showing here. You can see this here better. Before 12,000 years, the population was very less and its growth rate was very low. It was almost stagnant up to the birth of Christ. From 12,000 years before the present to the birth of Christ, it was almost stagnant, and thereafter it has started to grow with very small growth rate, and in about 16th century it reached 2.5 billion from 0.25 billion at the time of birth of Christ. So here, but after 16th century AD, I want to tell you the population has started to show a very high growth rate. This was the time when in Europe technological revolution took place, and this technological revolution has caused the industrial revolution in uh, Europe. What occurred in 14th, 15th century as well as in the starting of 16th century, the market of uh, Europe was saturated with the industrial items they produced in Europe, but then the uh, producers of these as well as the governments have started to change their strategy to capture the market of whole of the world. To they have started the search of new markets, and in such a way the they have sponsored different voyages, different people. They have moved out from Europe in search of the new land, so that the European industrialist can get more and more market from different part of the world. So this was the time of exploration and discoveries. Many of the people have moved out from Europe to different directions, like the Columbus, Vasco da Gama, and Robert Cook, Magellan, and so many others. You ought to be knowing about Humboldt also. So you have studied in class 11th about him. So this happened over there, and because of that, the income has been raised of the people. New market has been searched out. The Europeans has moved to that place. They have started getting the resources from these portions, and they marketed their different products in other places, and the security of job took place in different part of the world. That is why population has started to increase with the rapid rate. And uh, you can see here in 17th century, 1750, it has reached about 100 billion, and 1 billion, and thereafter rapid increase rate can be observed. This was because of industrialization, this was because of technological revolution, this was because the development of transport facilities. The whole world has been connected with each other, and as such, the condition has been changed. Uh, you can see thereafter in the 18th century, transportation, and thereafter sanitation and medical facility in 19th century. This has again uh, uh, started very rapid growth in the world. This sanitation and medical facilities has increased the growth rate, as the death rate has started to be controlled now. By providing the medical facilities, the antibiotics has been originated, and in 19th century the condition has been changed, and because of this facility, sanitation and medical facilities, the population has started to grow rapidly. You can see here from 1830 the population grown to 9, 2 billion in 1930. In only 100 years, 1 billion population has been increased, and that was due to industrialization, transportation, and the sanitation and medical facilities. Students, thereafter, the biotechnology has played its role. The people at this time were facing the problem related to malnutrition, as well as the uh, food shortage. Starvation was a big uh, factor for increase high death rate, and this biotechnology has created such conditions in which the uh, growth in agricultural production has been observed, and this agricultural production has been raised, and the people have started to get the food, and as such their nutritional ability has been increased. The strength of the people has been increased. The uh, after increased uh, amount of food crop, the people has been strengthened to fight with different type of epidemic or diseases, and as such death rate has been controlled. So due to this biotechnology, the population has been increased, and in only next 30 years, the population raised to 3 billion. Means from 1930 to 1960, 1 billion population has been increased. So in that, the previous all factors along with biotechnology played the role, and that is why this scenario has been observed. Thereafter, the new scenario has been started in which information technology and computers has uh, given more livelihood to the people. The assurance of the different facilities has caused the um, growth, has caused the less death rate, and that is why in next 15 years only in 1975 4 billion population has reached, and 1 billion population has been increased in only these 15 years, and this has continued for till now, and as such the population is growing very rapidly. In the next 12 years, in 1987 the population has reached to 5 billion. Thereafter, in 1999, the population reached to 6 billion, and in 2011, in only 12 years, three times population increased 1 billion, and as such, in 2011, 7 billion population has reached. It is expected that at this time, 8.3 billion population is there. So that is why we are observing the things which is associated with the population growth rate. So this growth rate is very very important, students, and the trend is very clear that when we were living in such condition, when development was very low, the population growth rate was much controlled, and it was almost stagnant. As the modern development started, the population growth rate has also started increasing, and as more facilities of transportation, sanitation, medical facilities, biotechnology, information, and computer innovation, this has been changed, and because of this technological revolution, the scenario of population has been changed, and it is continuously increasing. So here this topic is completed. I want to show another slide by which population growth rate can be made clear. Now through this you can see that in 1830 1 billion population was there, in 1930 2 billion, in 1960 3 billion, thereafter 1975 4 billion, 1987 5 billion, 1999 6 billion, and 2011 7 billion population. This is there. So as such we have completed this topic. I want to move to the next topic. Here I want to tell you, students, about the doubling time. Doubling time is the time period, students, in which population doubles itself. Means the time period in which population becomes two times of the previous. So it is called the doubling time. I want to discuss here about this through this table which is showing here in this box. Here 5 billion population was present before 10,000 BC. In 1650 it has become 500 million. Thereafter, in 1804 AD, the population has reached to 1000 million, and in doubling from 500 million to 1000 million, it took 154 years. In 154 years, population has increased from 5 million to 1000 million. The next uh, doubling time was 123 years. In 1927, the population has increased from 1000 million to 2 million in 1927. It took 123 years. Thereafter, in 1974, it has been doubled. 2 million population has doubled to 4 million population in just only 47 years. So you are observing that how the rate of population is growing in 1650 to 1804. In 150 years, population doubled itself. Thereafter, in 123 years only, population doubled itself, and it has become 2000 million. And thereafter, in only 47 years, 2 billion population has been increased, and 2 million population increased to 4 uh, 2000 million population has increased to 4000 million. Thereafter, it is expected that now the population has reached to 8,000 million. In about 50 years, it is expected that it would be 8,000 million, means 4,000 million population will is being increased in only 51 years. So this is the doubling time, and this is the population in trend by which it is growing. You would be introduced much about the doubling time in the news. The doubling time of corona is also being discussed. So this is actually the time period in which the population doubles itself, or the period in which the previous population becomes 2 times, and this is known as doubling time. By this, we can analyze the population growth rate. So now I am moving to the next slide. Here, population doubling time has been mentioned on the world map. You can see here the doubling time in certain portions, which is shown with dark black color, that is in over 100 years. Means for doubling its population, these portions are taking more than 100 years. It is maximum in the world. In the world, maximum population growth is taking place in more than 100 years. That is the Western European part and some of the Eastern European countries. Their population growth rate is very low, and that is why the doubling time is very high. So second thing, that is 41 to 100 years, you can observe in most of the part of Southeast Asia or Australia, thereafter the northern part of most of the part of Asia, as well as North America, some part of South America, that is Argentina. So their population is being doubled in 41 to 100 years. Thereafter, there are certain portion where in 31 to 40 years population doubles. So this is shown with some horizontal lines, and India, you can see here thereafter Brazil, and in some other part like Madagascar and some telling that in 31 to 40 years the population doubles itself. Thereafter, with dotted lines, uh, it is shown that 21 to 30 years is being taken in doubling period. So most of the part of Africa, some of the part of China, Mongolian desert, and the country Mongolia. There, apart from that, the western part of South America, their population doubles itself in only 21 to 30 years. Thereafter, there are certain parts where the population doubles itself in less than 20 years, and these parts are in the Central African countries like Zambia, Zimbabwe, and there are certain other parts where population growth rate is high, and this is Bangladesh, and some other countries are in this category. And thereafter, uh, the population declining rate can also be observed, means negative growth rate is observed in certain part of the world, and you can see it with horizontal dotted lines that is present in Europe. So, in central part of Europe and as well as some of the Baltic countries, they are showing this trend where population is uh, showing negative growth rate, and this is clear with the this map. So, okay, I have completed this topic also. Only population transition theory is left in this chapter, so that will be completed later. Hmm.